Unity is strength. Understanding a timeless proverb. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the meaning and significance of a famous phrase, unity is strength. This saying holds a special place in many cultures and languages, and understanding it can give us valuable insights into English expressions and universal life lessons. Unity is strength is a proverb, which means it's a short, common saying or phrase that expresses a truth based on common sense or experience. Unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole, while strength means the power and ability to withstand pressure or adversity. So, the phrase emphasizes the idea that we are stronger together than we are alone. It suggests that when individuals come together and work as a unified group, they can achieve more and overcome larger obstacles than if they were to try alone. This proverb has roots in many cultures and histories, showing its universal appeal and truth. It has been used in political contexts, social movements, and in moral teachings across the world. By exploring how unity is strength has been applied in different scenarios, we can see the power of collective effort and mutual support. This phrase often surfaces in times of hardship or challenges, reminding people that their best chance of overcoming difficulties is through working together. Let's bring this proverb into a more relatable context. In sports, a team that works in unity has a greater chance of winning. In the workplace, employees who collaborate and support each other create a more productive and positive environment. Even in nature, animals that move in groups, like birds flying in AV formation, demonstrate this principle of strength in unity. These examples help to understand how the concept is applied and why it's so valued in different aspects of life. When learning English, or any language, this proverb can be a source of motivation. Language learning is more effective and enjoyable when done in groups or with a partner. By sharing knowledge, encouraging each other, and practicing together, learners can experience firsthand that unity is strength. It's not just about the language, it's about the shared journey of learning and growing together. We hope this exploration of the phrase, unity is strength, has been enlightening and inspiring. Remember, this proverb is more than just words. It's a principle that can guide us in many areas of our lives. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, stay united, and remember, together, we are stronger.